Hi, it's Leanne and Jeff again, Inspirada TV, out in our favorite neighborhood, Inspirada. We want to take a look at this single-family home on a corner lot. Let's go see what it's got inside.
This is pretty cool with the tile that they did. And we are directly adjacent to Solista Park. So the pool, the farmer's market every other Saturday. And oh, it smells like fresh paint.
Yeah, it looks like fresh paint too.
What year is this, 09?
This was built in 08.
08. So this is like the original part of Inspirada. They are nearly built out, and it's been about 20 years that they've been working on Inspirada. I believe there's going to be just under 9,000 homes in the official Inspirada. So fridge stays, I would guess.
This refrigerator stays, washer dryer stay.
Okay.
And this home is 1640 square foot.
So water heater looks like it might have been replaced. I love those things where you hang your bikes.
Yeah.
Super cool. So
you'd have to get a bike.
Garage. Yeah, that's good. All right. So we got a half bath down. Cool mirror. All right. Maybe we'll jump out. Open this up too, huh? Lines look a little rough. Might have been.
I couldn't figure out how to get them open.
Yeah. Oh no. Did a blind fall?
Yes.
All right, so you do have this cute yard. And again, right next to Solista Park, you really don't have any neighbors. Here, just their garage, but chances are they're not going to be hanging out there. Unless it's like that one dude in our neighborhood that's always watching basketball games in his garage, even when it's 100 degrees out. And I know he has a 2,400 square foot home. I want to throw that in the garage, maybe, that blind. All right, so laminate flooring on the stairs going all the way up. Cute little loft area. Like perfect for a
Damn it.
A desk type thing. All right, so your primary with the balcony is super cool. All right, well, we'll hit the bath first.
And I like the double doors.
And look at that front porch.
Oh, I love this. Okay. This is super cool.
So, closet, generous size again. You know, the nice thing is this is a single family, very low 500s, which puts you in a single family home in Inspirada, just under the FHA loan level. And again, there's the park. Just amazing.
Which an FHA loan level means an FHA loan is a 3.5. You need 3.5% down.
Yes.
So it's the lowest down payment you can do.
Look at that. It's really bright. I know it's fresh white paint, but it's still, it seems.
There's lots of really good light in here,
yeah.
Natural light that comes in. Lots of good windows.
All right, so.
Strategically placed in the walls.
Yeah. Good one, babe.
I'm just here to entertain.
All right.
I like the flooring. The flooring's great.
Yeah.
A lot of people are looking for no carpet in the bedrooms. You know, if kids have allergies or have animals, it's always nice.
So, can I get the handoff?
Of course.
All right. So as always, Jeff and Leanne Nix, Homes in Inspirada. Our website has every listing from every brokerage, so no need to search multiple sites. Quickly on the monthly payments, this is just estimates at 6.25%, at a 3.5% down with mortgage insurance, homeowners insurance, your tax, which is $210 a month, insurance estimated at $100 a month, HOAs $170 a month. Your payment would be $31.71. So with a 10% down, we'd be at $29.99, and with a 20% down, no PMI, you'd be at $27.51. So this one has a higher HOA than the rest of Inspirada because there is another community center with another pool, which I think is only for this area in here. And again, you're across from Solista Park, so you have that pool. Please like and subscribe. We do this every week. We appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.